This is a tutorial for how to create moving objects using control points and determine the speed of the moving object. Let's begin. Okay, first we will start off and create a blueprint class and press right click on actor, then go inside the blueprint, go to add component. I'm just gonna press sphere just because I want to. But you can do whatever you want. Next, we're going to add an interpreter movement, which is actually how to move the object. After that, we will be creating a variable and changing that variable to a vector. Press compile, then create another vector, then press compile. Now that I have both, I'm going to rename one location 1 and show 3D widget, and finally expose on spawn. Now I will just be pressing compile, and we're all set for that part. Now we're going to go to our interpreter movement and press on ping pong. And now we're going to add 2 control points. Next we're going to go to our construction script and add a interpreter movement. What we're going to do next is set our control point and just plug that in afterward. After our control point, we will be setting an array. This is actually where I make the giant mistake I do, and instead of connecting the array together with this with the control point, I do not connect them, but otherwise you're fine. Next, you're going to want to click on the 0 and then add a make interpreter control point and connect that together. After this, I'm just going to copy and paste the interpreter control point and just do Command C, and then connect that to the one part of the array, and also add the location 1. I just dragged it from the variable and put it right on the control point. I will be adding actually and setting the duration for the moving object, which will be the speed and time. And now I'm just putting that in the interpreter movement part. Now you should go to the variables and add a variable and name it duration. Next, you're going to want to go to the variable type and put it in float. Now we're going to make instant editable. Click the check mark for that, and we're pretty much all set for that. Now drag the duration variable into the set duration, and we're all done. Now I did compile and it was an error now, but now I realize my error, so just connect those 2 things, and then you should be all set. Press compile and we're good. Let's just go back to, we'll go back and I can show and put it into the scene. Now I'm going to be moving around and moving the location of the second location to where it will go bounce back and forth, and you'll see I didn't set any duration for it, so once I press play it's gonna go really fast, so we'll see. Here it goes. Just press play, and after press play, you'll see it goes insanely fast. But we can fix that actually with the duration. The big issue is just you have to set the duration. Now you have to go to it was set for 0, so just set it for like however you want it. I put 20 seconds for now. And yeah, there you go. Your moving object, your moving sphere. Look at her, pretty and everything. Thank you. Love you, Phil. Mr. Phil.